Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope we're all doing well. Back at it again with another Switch review video. Today we're talking about the HMX Cosmic Purples. Another Switch that is definitely long overdue for a review. Similar to the Lunar Stones, they offer a pack of 10 for $3.50 or a pack of 90 at $31.50 USD. It's definitely not uncommon to see palm housings with a leaf stem, but with the new molds offered, makes the sound very unique. The same materials in switches like Bsun Aniya and Bsun Dusty Roses, those switches offer more of a deeper and thockier sound. Cosmic Purples brings us a nice clacky sound at a high pitch. Breaking things down, these are linear switches, designed by Divinikey, manufactured by HMX. Coming with the new molds, similar to the Lunar Stones, the Cosmic Purples offer a leaf stem, palm top housing, palm bottom housing. They operate at a 45 gram force, bottom out at a 55 gram force. Pre-travel at 2.0 millimeters, total travel at 3.4 millimeters, offering a KOS single stage extended spring. Just like the Lunar Stones, these are factory lubed on the stem legs and stem sliders with a thin coat of 205, while the spring and leaves are lubed with a dry film. Really hoping that HMX decides to stick with these new molds, because in my opinion these are 10 out of 10. While I struggle to get these open, we'll go ahead and take a look at each part individually as always. Kicking things off with our palm top housing, consisting of a nice light purple that's reminiscent of a lilac. Leaf stems with a thin coat of 205 G0 on the legs in a dark purple. Our KOS single stage extended spring that comes lubed with a dry film. And lastly, our palm housings in that lilac purple, consisting of Krytox on the stem sliders. Taking a closer look at the Cosmic Purples, they have a really nice look to them. The symbol on the top housing for the Cosmic Purples, as well as the Lunar Stones, definitely give me a cherry spellbook vibe. These are a 5-pin PCB mount switch that come factory lubed, and I gotta say, it's done extremely well. Take a listen. Taking a look into the tolerances, we can see why I'm saying these are a 10 out of 10. No vertical wobbles, no horizontal wobbles. Now I'm using an excessive force, but these stems are not moving. Could definitely get away with some plateless builds with how tight these are, as well as the Lunar Stones. Tossing on GMK Awakened, we'll test the stem thickness to see how they fit. Pressing down on the left side of the keycap and the right side of the keycap. I'm not getting the feeling that keycaps are going to start popping off anytime soon. Now we'll go ahead and take a listen to some of the other HMX switches we have as comparisons. Now what switches do you think sounded the best? Let me know down below. Got a sound test to the HMX Cosmic Purples on the Neo 65, aluminum plate, no foams, GMK Awaken. Let's take a listen. For more content, go ahead and click that upper right. Till next time.